it's the night before Halloween. I'm having a few people over tomorrow, and I didn't have time to go buy anything, and I really didn't want to have to go buy anything. So I thought, you know what? Can I put together a chic and fabulous ambiance in my home for a few friends, put together a little bar and some place settings for a chic and fabulous Halloween dinner party without spending any money? If you'd like to see my results, stick around. Let's get into it. There's ways to play with color to speak to a holiday and create a vibe and create some decor that will be fun and festive. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you got some inspiration from this to use what you have already in your home. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel. I will see you next time. And remember, decorate and live stylishly.